Welcome to the Stevenson University Library. This 6-minute orientation will give you an overview of some of the resources commonly used by nursing students. Whether your classes are online or in person, research usually starts at the library's website, located at library.stevenson.edu. Our website is the gateway to books, articles, research guides, citation tools, and more. Most often, nursing students are looking for articles from journals for their research papers, projects, or discussion board posts. We also have other research materials, such as ebooks and online videos. In the first part of this orientation, we'll talk about searching for articles. There are 2 ways to search for articles about nursing. You can go to the library website and use the OneSearch box in the middle of the screen. OneSearch will look through some, but not all, of our databases containing articles. It also looks through our catalog containing books, ebooks, and films, all in a single search. The drawback to OneSearch is that because it looks through many databases at once, most of the results won't be about nursing. Another option is to search in one nursing database at a time. Click the Databases button on the library homepage. You'll see a list of all of our databases in alphabetical order. To get to the nursing databases, click the Subjects box and choose Nursing. Here's the list of our databases that include information about nursing, health, and medicine. We'll go into CINAHL Plus with full text. You may see this login screen when accessing any of our library databases from off-campus. Use your Stevenson username and password, just as you would to log into Blackboard or your SU email. No matter whether you use CINAHL, OneSearch, or another database, the search process will be similar in most databases. You can type in one or more keywords, use limiters such as date published, and view a list of results that match your search. CINAHL even has a unique search option where you can require that the lead author, or at least one author of an article, is a nurse. Some databases, including CINAHL, will let you create your own account so that you can save the articles you find for later. Click the My EBSCO button, then choose Create an Account. You can either sign up using an email address or choose to log in with your Google account. Whichever you choose, your MyEBSCO account is separate from your SU account. You may use the same email address and password, but this password will not be changed each time you change your SU account password. CINAHL is not our only nursing-specific database. Some others that you can try are Ovid, which also focuses on nursing, Medline and PubMed, which focus on medicine, and ScienceDirect, which focuses on science. Nursing databases can be very helpful because you know from the beginning that the information will be about your discipline. The drawback to nursing databases is that you usually won't find as many results as in OneSearch because you're searching a smaller pool of information. Give both strategies a try and see which one works best for you. In the second part of this orientation, we'll talk about online resources that can help you. The library has other resources that you might find helpful, such as research guides on nursing. To start, go to the library homepage and click on Guides. Click on Subject Guides, then scroll down and click on Nursing Research. You can also go directly to the guide at stevenson.libguides.com/nursing. The Nursing Research Guide is a good place to start for all your courses. It contains suggested databases, links, information on citing your sources, and more. In the third and last part of this orientation, we'll talk about ways to get help if you'd like support in using the library. There are many ways to get help from a librarian. Our contact information is on our website at library.stevenson.edu/contact us. You can contact us in person, by phone, by text, via email, or by online chat for immediate assistance or to make an appointment in advance. You can also click the FAQ icon on the library homepage. Here you can see questions we've answered in the past. If your question hasn't been answered before, contact a librarian for more information. You can use the Submit Your Question button to contact us via email, or click the Contact Us link at the bottom of the screen to contact us via another method. Our online chat system provides the fastest response. If a Stevenson librarian isn't on chat, you can chat with a backup librarian from our 24/7 cooperative. Thanks for watching. Contact us anytime for help in your nursing courses.